Hello friends, welcome back to this Facebook page. We are going to start today's video. So let's get started with it. For your first art, you have to take a glass as shown in the video. Now, after taking the glass, you have to cut it from the top. Now after cutting it, place this red colored sheet in this exact manner and then roll it over the glass tip. Now place glue on it. Keep applying those red sheets in this manner and a flower of rose is made. Take a tissue paper as shown in the video and then simply follow this step for rolling it. Now while rolling it, you have to get a pattern like this. Keep rolling it into the white flower shape and wow, this flower will look really great and it's elegant too. Take a paintbrush and make various colors of this flower. Take a green strip and roll it as shown in the video. After rolling it, tap the front of this paper and fold it in the manner as it is shown. Roll the sheet again and this tadpole or frog you can say is ready. They are jumping. Take this yellow sheet and then fold it in this manner. After folding and refolding, you can see that how precisely we can get a very unique pattern with the help of this. Apply these same sheets over and over and a yellow strip is to be taken. Open it and see, wow, they look very great. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this.